just gonna do this. So it's a tabletop oven, I think. It's compact, I think, and it has a handle, so you can just slide it in. Like you could put a toast coming or in or wherever, as you liked. Yep, that's very nice. You got a nice tray here. You just put it up and anywhere, and put that down anywhere, and very nice. And on the right side we have a function. You can select anything such as grill, toast, crumpet, bake, roast, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and circle. You can select any temperature as you want. You put on convection. You have to put on the frozen. You can put on FC, and you put on the light is here. It means the light's on. Just bring this together. Yep. And you set it off. You can set any timer, any minutes, or something like that. Just gonna show it at the back. Here we have, show it at the back. 1 second. At the back we have wires. You got main speakers there. So there's a Sage logo on here at the back. And there's inside it, and there's a connection. All this stuff can be inside, so you can see. Yep. And it says do not put any liquids in there, or else it could cause fire. It's very nice to use it, but it's very nice to use it. So I really want to use it. That's a good taste. Alright, so let's get on with it then, shall we? Yeah.